Okay, this is a very good vacancy, but it's just one vacancy, and that too contractual. But you will get an opportunity to work with NTPC Green, and this is a post of specialist 3 legal. There is only one vacancy, that too in the unreserved category, and the location is Greater Noida. The CTC is 19 lakh 38,000 per annum, and you need to have a law degree, and 50% for SC, ST, PWD candidates, and 60% for the general category candidates. You need to have this much percentage in your bachelor's. And desirable is LLM with a specialization in corporate, contract, or labor law. When talking about the experience requirements, so you need to have at least 5 years of post qualification experience working in a public sector undertaking, government organization, private, corporate, and legal function, or experience in legal functions of power sector, infrastructure, renewable energy sector will be preferred. So you need to have all in all a 5-year experience and your BA LLB or LLB degree, and you can apply for this post. This is only one post, that is the catch, but the CTC is very very nice. So if you have an experience in this field or you're working in this, you should apply. There is no exam, it will be totally based on the interview, which will be 70% of the cumulative score, and the experience will fetch you 30 marks. Okay, and minimum qualifying marks is for unreserved it is 50%, and 50% you have to score at least 50% in interview and experience. Okay, there is only one post for unreserved category, so even if you are a reserved person, you have to apply in the unreserved category only. Okay, so total marks 100, only interview and experience will be the criteria. The last date is 23rd of December 2025. So this is the link that they have shared, this career section. You have to visit the NGEL career section, and 500 rupees is the fees for applying for this post. So it's a very good opportunity. The number of vacancies like only one, so that is a very big catch here. But if you qualify this, and if you are selected, then you will get to work for a period of 3 years on fixed term basis, and this can further be extended for another 2 years, so basically 5 years, for 5 years.